So we're in Naples, Florida. We're headed to our new construction site. And so we're gonna go and meet the guy Dave there to find out how much more money we're spending. This would be our driveway right here. So this is not our house right here. Right here where we're standing, this is our lot. Oh, there's no cell phone reception out here, by the way. Oh, here's our guy.
Good to see you in person.
Good to see you.
Eden, nice to meet you. David. So we came here yesterday and looks like it got nice and flattened since then. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, we're still working on the grading. We're starting to bring in fill for you guys now. So
nice.
Fill pits are still struggling to produce some fill and get
so
enough.
Fill is
sand,
behind, and right. I mean, there's a shortage of fill. Just an FYI. In
Well,
case
it's not really a shortage of fill. There's just so much construction going on. We're fighting to get the fill from everybody else. I just wanted to go over. I heard some things with Amy that you guys were talking about possibly adding a secondary guest house.
Yes.
Which I love.
Yes, I love that you love it.
Yes.
Exciting.
I love having it.
If you're on board, then I'm on board, and I'm.
You're on board even if he's not on board. We're talking about.
Hey, how are you, Steve? So this is kind of how. Look at how cool.
But there's the casita. So the pool separates it. Like I said, off to the left will be a putting green. This is going to be a wine room right here. This is going to be a long glass enclosed wine room. There's a little bar in there.
So the pantry and the laundry are here?
Yep. So that's the pantry. This is powder bath. They did a little bathroom off this side.
Okay.
And then laundry here.
Where did they get this tile from? I love this tile.
It's beautiful. Here, I have it written down right there. Batia Natural.
What is it?
Batia Natural.
Batia Natural. Look at this. Okay, so this would be our guest bathroom. I mean, guest bedroom 1. Oh yeah, pretty.
So it'll be two-sided glass with the door coming in.
That looks dope. How long have you been building?
Me? 15 years maybe. Well, Jack and Jill here. So they share this bathroom with boys. And then they each have back-end walk-up closets. But the closets lead to a secret playroom. There's a ladder here that they can climb up.
This, we never saw this tile.
And that would be the outdoor kitchen area. And then this is where the first key box will be. And then we're building a green out there for him to hit to.
That's awesome.
So then that's the outdoor kitchen area.
Eden, do you like that?
Yeah, we have that.
Steel stud, huh? Yeah, steel stud frame.
Yep. Yeah, we're supposed to start hanging today. I don't know where the guys are at.
That's the way it always goes.
So what's all this? Like, is this
This is
this is the bedroom. That's a whole living area and kitchen out there.
Well, I think this is actually the. Is this the bedroom or the gym? One of them's the gym, I think.
Oh,
this is a gym.
Why?
Just feels like it. Well, I guess you wouldn't have a closet in the gym.
I don't think you were even making it a bedroom. I think he's just keeping it as a gym. This is laundry.
Okay, and
laundry, water heater, storage, stuff like
got
that.
it. Okay, all right. Bathroom.
And then that's like an exterior closet for storage for anything they have for like, because there's going to be a pickleball court out there with the golf hole. So right over here is going to be their sports court, and then back there with that.
So this is a larger lot, huh?
Yeah.
So it's like 5.
There was a house that was here. We took it down.
Oh, they took it down.
Mm-hmm. And then back there, from back in the day, that where all that is, there was an old berry pit back there where they used to clear the lot and then bury all the trees.
Looks clean, man. All you guys' job sites look good.
But yeah, this whole area is the pool. At one point, there was like a swim-up bar area right here, but I think we took that out.
That's the outdoor shower.
Oh, that's getting popular, huh?
Mm-hmm. It's once you shower outdoors, it's hard to not do it anymore.
No, we were sold on it, but
we were getting ready to start. I just didn't like the layout. And
you didn't like it? Cause what? This was a.
The valve was over there for some reason, so we want you to be able to come in and open it from here, so you're not getting wet. Turn the shower on, then this will control the handheld.
Got it.
And then the top one, of course, is your rain head. But why walk in to get wet?
So are you gonna just have a partition or a sliding door?
It would just be glass. Just one.
Just so one piece of glass.
And this will be the wall tile here.
Oh, that's good looking.
And this is the floor.
Yeah. No, I like the taste.
We're gonna start the seam centered in the toilet room, and then.
So you come through and lay these out?
Oh yeah, every single one. But so we're very particular on where everything lands. We want all the valves, the shower heads, everything should be in a grout line. Everything should mean like the little details is what matters.
Yeah, for sure, 100%. I definitely on my flips do not do that.
Yeah. Well, it's more about speed with flips too.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, the little things matter a lot. Especially like our electrical layouts and where we're taking everything. Like before we start hanging drywall, we walk you guys through. That'll be a big meeting for you guys.
Yeah, just because once you cover that up, you don't want to go backwards.
Like I mean everything. You look at every light's in the center joint. Are you guys doing an iron door? No.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't know why you like that. You can't even see out it.
The rain glass. We're looking at it. After he saw it, he might change it and go back to clear.
Yeah, you can't even see out it. Like, what's the point of having it?
Well, it's more for privacy.
Eden, don't get this glass. You're doing iron doors, right?
you like running glass?
Yeah, that's great.
You can't see out though.
So this was so great to get to see
Yes.
this.
It's going, this one's moving pretty good too. So.
When did you guys start building this one?
He loses count.
We have quite a few going.
So they kept this.
Yeah. So that was part of the old house. We were gonna knock it down, but now we're talking about keeping it and making that like its own game room. There's like a storage unit, like storage area. It all depends. We're still up in the air what's gonna happen to it. So we left it for now. We're gonna do a gate for him.
Gate up front, yep.
Gate up front.
Is this a good area?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
If I would have known about this back when I graduated, buying back here back then, because these lots here are going for like $1 million.
So it's $1 million lot.
Now it is.
What was it before?
When I was in high school, probably like 200 grand.
Cedar would be good here because then it
Yes,
won't block
I
the view.
feel
and
like
then
it
put the
should go
court
there.
here.
I
Okay.
totally feel like it
That would
should
be
go
cool.
there.
Yeah, either one. I don't know how we're doing a casita right now. Okay, so generally when you're connecting more square footage to a house, it's less expensive because you have a different slab. It's the same plumbing lines. I mean, they're just going out, right?
Different though. It's like, this is a separate structure.
Yeah.
Separate walls, has to have a separate septic system.
Oh.
Separate, everything is separate. It's separate electrical panel. It's like building a second house, but it's a small house. It's not.
You see where this is going, Eden? This might die. Yeah, see, I think you're better off if you want that connecting to the part of the house and just cut it in half and making it like almost, because we have to add another septic system. And what are septics costing?
All in probably about 11 grand.
Oh.
Well, that's cheaper than they are in Kansas
yeah,
City.
No, it's, yeah, I knew it was.
They're
like
20 grand out there.
No, so let's just not nix it. All right, so what else do we got to figure out here?
Nothing.
I wanted to know if you wanted to walk back there.
Sure, let's go.
I don't.
You want to go back?
Sure. Steve, have you ever been so busy?
I mean, from now and the past 3 years, I have not seen anything quite like it.
All right, so we're deep in the woods in Florida. We're not deep, but.
Acacia.
What is that? This one right here?
The long one, the long leaf.
Oh,
Farther back.
That's an exotic. We have to
That
take
has
it
come
out.
Eventually, that'll come out.
so when you say exotic, what does that mean?
It's not native to Florida, and it's deemed an exotic plant. It's an invasive species.
So it just takes over.
And the acacia is the worst. They put down massive amounts of seeds, and they just take over. Feels like the way we came.
Yeah, no, it's the way we came.
Are you familiar with poison ivy?
From
where you're at?
Not entirely. Is that it?
It's right here. 3 leaves, dark green.
Okay.
So I just because I don't know how susceptible you are, and you have sandals on.
Cool. Yeah. Thanks. No, I wasn't planning on trekking through here. Okay.
You know, you start to pick up on it. This is muscadine. This is harmless. It's all over the place. But the 3 leaves that are dark green, avoid those.
They get you itching pretty good.
But it does. It does. It doesn't bother me a ton.
Is it just like nettles? Are you familiar with nettles?
No.
So nettles are up in the Washington State, and they're just brutal. Like make your hands all stick up, or your same thing like poison ivy.
I'll get it, but it doesn't really spread on me. My wife gets it. It spreads all over her body. And
Eden, we ruled out the guest house.
What?
We ruled out the guest house. 400 G's.
No. Well, how much did you think it would be?
How much did you think it would be?
I thought it had to be 200.
I was thinking on the high side, 200. I think we should just roll with what we got, Eden. It's just too expensive. And then consider doing it later.